Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, so we will do an interview
Okay.
kamu today. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, hello guys. My name is you guys already know my name. That is Muhammad Saswar, but you can call me Ayas.
Story of Indonesia. Indonesia.
So you can call me Ayas. And my hobby is sports and playing laptop.
With Soekarno and Hatta. And then the European.
Okay, so could you please
Country that arrived in Indonesia is the first.
could you please
His
do you know about yourself more?
Indonesia. And
Like
second is
strength,
Spain,
your
arrived
power,
in
your
Maluku,
weakness.
Belanda,
I think I
control several.
a little bit, but
About
my weakness is focus. I think like I can distract, but how I prevent it? So I make the time structure, like make the structure. So what I'm going to do this day and making plan. If I'm not making a plan, I will be so much distract.
So
Thank you for
you like to do this.
Yes.
So I want to ask about the competition. Maybe you
Oh.
join the competition from 7 or
Okay.
9, 8, 9, 7.
I redo it. I think much more. So in ninth grade, I still not enter any competition at all in ninth grade. But if in seventh grade, I think I cannot count, but I usually like almost every week do like the Olympic English, and like in seventh grade I do I have I think the second the speech English what online, and if eighth grade I only competition only one time, that is is robotic. Go to Surabaya and I lose.
Okay. And 9 weeks.
In red, still there is no.
Okay. Which competition you get a winner?
Got the winner.
Become a winner.
Which competition do I win? I think the most like if Olympic English, like the making exam we answering that like exam. I think I've do it many times. I think like gold medal, I think. But if real competition, I only win one time.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. So, have you ever joined a project with team or with teachers? Or
Project. Yeah, already.
join what project?
So I have like maybe some kind of not companies, like startup, I guess, with friends in IDN in other class. So we get an offer to making a website and making a logo for the company.
Oh yeah.
So I'm the one who make the logo.
Yeah. So yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Interesting. So talking about the teaching experience. Yeah. So do you have any experience?
So if I think my experience in teaching is I think many, because if I count them count it I think It was 9, I guess. 9.
Top 9. From 7 to 9.
Yes. No, 9 times. 9 times. Yes.
9 times
Yes. From 7th grade until now.
until now. Okay. It is the idea teaching or teaching is outside idea?
There is like teaching in my old school and in here
What is it?
Al Andalus ya. Andalus.
Andalus.
Yeah. I do teach in there for one time and I teach in Egypt too.
Oh, in Egypt.
Yes.
Okay. So what grade do you teach?
In Egypt.
Yeah, in
Oh.
in Egypt.
In Egypt. In Egypt, junior high school and elementary school.
Elementary school. Is it Indonesian?
Yes, Indonesian people,
Okay.
but there is like mixed race.
So I think it's interesting. I want to know more about your experience teaching in Egypt.
So for me is I think fun, I guess, because I can go to the pyramid, go see the Firaun
Okay.
myself, and experience a new a new place, because Indonesia and Egypt I think very different. Yes.
So, how did you feel when you became a teacher or trainer?
Oh, I feel is it isn't that easy. Yeah, because you can because I need to do the need to presenting the lecture, and I need to see the the progress, and yeah, it's very complicated.
Okay, yeah, that's becoming a teacher is not
Easy.
easy, yeah.
Yes.
So you learn what did you learn from that experience?
So I think uh, my experience from in Egypt.
In Egypt or when,
Okay.
In Egypt?
So we not just become a teacher. We need to like a friend, not just like a different not different.
What age?
No, like
Different level.
like yes, like different type, different level. So like we need to be friends with them and have a good connection. So not just like for like only teaching only. We need to have emotion to study to teach them.
Okay. So in your opinion, teaching is easy or not?
No.
No. What's difficult?
Yes.
Yeah. What is difficult?
Oh, what difficult? Yes.
Teaching. What?
Oh, what? Like the kid maybe like very active, and yeah, and then maybe some kid also like don't listen to us, to me or us,
Yeah.
and crowded, and maybe like they talk and not hear me.
So you have to manage the
Yes.
class with the crowded,
Yeah.
the activities, student activity. Okay. So actually, what is your future dream?
My future dream is, I think, my future dream is, I have so many plans. If the plan didn't work, I'll go with plan B, plan C.
You have a plan A, plan B, or
Yeah.
not only one plan. And what is your decision? Like usual future?
My goals is, I think, go to the other country and live in there. And
Country?
uh, maybe I'll start like with college first, and maybe live, I guess, if in England, if can.
England. Okay. I hope your dream will come true. And What have you done or what will you do to reach your dream on your
So I've been have less on a course of IELTS, so I can apply to the university in like other country.
So have you joined the IELTS? Not yet.
Not yet, still learning.
Okay, what about was it TOEFL?
Huh?
TOEFL.
No IELTS.
Yeah, what about TOEFL? Have you
TOEFL,
been-
I've not done yet.
Okay. So, could you please give your motivation or message for us?
My motivation is okay. I have one. I think you don't have to be a genius, but you need to be a curious person.
Okay, yeah, that's good advice. No good motivation. So, I think enough for our review.
Okay.
Thank you. Ayes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
So in here, I'm standing in you guys. Today, I'm going to presentate one of the best countries in Europe. That is Switzerland. But before we start, maybe I'll do a quick introduction. My name is Muhammad Reza Aswar. I'm from 9C, and today I'm going to presentate about the country that is famous for the mountains, the chocolate, and the watch. But before we do, wait. Okay, so why I chose Switzerland? So why I chose Switzerland for this project, because Switzerland is like the best countries in all of Europe, and because it had highest standards in all of the world. And the Switzerland is a big global reputation in all of the world, because how it's like safety, the nature, and like the beauty. So without further ado, now let's get to the first point, that is geography and nature.
Yeah, you can see the
Okay, so why geography and nature in Switzerland is very good, because the first they are located in the heart of Europe, in like the middle of the Europe, and bordered in Germany, France, Italy, Austria, and Liechtenstein. So if you live in Switzerland, you can go to Germany, France, Italy, and Austria, Liechtenstein more faster. Known for the Alps, mountains, lakes, and green valleys. So if you go to the Switzerland, you will find like the countryside of it. Like you will find so many mountains, like so many green valley and lakes. So that's why one of the most beautiful countries. And major cities like Zurich, Geneva, Bern, the capital, and Lucerne. So, like the famous landmarks of Switzerland, that is Matterhorn, Lake Geneva, Jungfrau, and Interlaken. So, Switzerland is also perfect for you to go to like in winter season, because you can go skiing, hiking, and maybe if not winter, you can climb a mountain. So it's good for your holiday. And one of the reason is clean environment and high quality air. So great balance between modern cities and preserved nature. So Switzerland like combined like countryside and modern cities. So so that's why Switzerland is very good. Okay, and the second is economy and innovation. So you guys may know Rolex, right? Rolex. Ah, Rolex is made by Switzerland. So that's why Switzerland is one of the richest countries in the world. The GDP is very high among the others. Like, and the famous industry there is banking and finance. Zurich and Geneva are global financial centers. There are watches like Rolex, Omega, and Tag Heuer. And there is what is Parma? I think there's like some pharmacy like Novartis, Roche, and there is tourism and chocolate. So like and Switzerland are like so many home to many international organizations like the United Nations and Red Cross. And Switzerland is one of the plus for Switzerland is because they care about their education. So that's why Switzerland invests heavily in research and education. That's why Switzerland is very good the education in there. So that's why the people who live in Switzerland is very smart, leading to many innovations. So despite being small, Switzerland is an economic powerhouse thanks to its innovation, stability, and education system. Okay, and the third, that is quality of life. Okay, so the quality of Switzerland is very good because they rank the top countries for quality of life every year. So they get the first rank among the top countries for quality of life. And the people in Switzerland doesn't like robbing people. So the rate in the Switzerland, the crime rate is very low. That's why Switzerland is one of the safest countries in the world. And the healthcare system of Switzerland is very good. And education, like one of the most popular universities in Switzerland, that is ETH Zurich, is very good. I think rank top 100, I think. And public transport is clean, very organized, and punctual. And high average income by the people in Switzerland. So in Switzerland, people have high wages. So living in Switzerland means living safely, comfortably, and surrounded by natural beauty. Okay, and the last is the culture and the people. So the people in Switzerland is multilingual. They can speak German, French, Italian, and Romance. And the culture of Switzerland is diverse, like mix of European traditions. And the famous food is, I think you guys may eat like Swiss chocolate, cheese fondue, raclette, and rosti. So Swiss people is known for they polite and neutral and punctual, and strong tradition for of neutrality and diplomacy. So a long time ago, Switzerland is like one of the neutral country in the World War. So Switzerland has not been in a war for centuries, and they host global peace talks and humanitarian organization. So Switzerland culture teaches us how to live peacefully and respect to the others, even with many different language and different culture and different backgrounds too. Okay, So the conclusion of Switzerland. So Switzerland is one of the best countries in the world and one of the best lah. I think like that. If I can explain it more shorter. So Switzerland is, I think you guys may have a dream to live in Switzerland because they have like a good safety, a good education, and a good nature. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you. I am Muhammad Reza Asfar. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this occasion, today, I'm standing here. I wanted to present my favorite project across of my study in Aden boarding school. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so about me first. So my name is Muhammad Reza Asfar. I'm from Bekasi, and my hobby is to try something new. And I'm from 9C, especially 9 grade, especially in 9C. Okay, so let's start in the 7th grade, the beginning of my journey in IDN. Okay, the first is short movie. Okay, so why I choose short movie because I know that my team put an effort of making that video and have a lot of funny moments and enjoyable moments and many more. And that's why I chose short movie because the final result isn't because the final result, but it's the process of making the video. So that's why I chose short movie. And then the grade. So the A grade best project is the mobile app by me for the UI of making a Muslim app. Okay, so why I chose this because every screen on you guys can see here put a lot of time and have but I think the design is I think only like just 2 to 3 hours, but if you search the ideas, the brainstorming, it will take a lot of hours. So that's why I chose the mobile app because it's have a clean UI too, and I put my time and effort to make it. And then 9th grade, the end. Okay, so in 9th grade, I still haven't decided yet, but there is some candidate that I can choose from, like the Bitakwa app, and maybe later in this, maybe like Kodular, I think, but I still haven't choose it because yeah, I don't know. Okay, so now about self project or my work. Okay, so my work is CV Amanah Indonesia. So what is CV Amanah Indonesia? So that's a company that I make that I get paid the company for making the logo, and they ask me to make a simple logo because because the company is focused, the main focus is about spare part supplier. So that's why so after a lot of problem, I finally have the final result. and I make the brand guidelines and make the color palette and make the mock-up. And then the second is offline lecture. So when in holiday, I was opening, I opened an online class for 6 to 12-year-olds to learn about Scratch. There is the documentation, but I forgot where is it. And yeah, it's start from 50,000. Next is my achievement. So what I got. Okay. So I have a good amount of certificate in my LinkedIn profile. So there is like some network engineering certificate like Cisco Basic, MikroTik, and MTCNA. But I have like many other things certificate, but I did not want to put it in the LinkedIn. So if you want to see the full certificate in my LinkedIn profile, so you guys can see. Next is teaching. So in teaching, I've been gone about 9 teaching,
I'm with my student.
and the most memorable places that I teach is Egypt, because the culture and the habitat in there is very different than Indonesia. Because even if it's in Egypt, it's
And
very
can answer it in
dusty,
and so I will
and
have you
and
point of the question
the sculpture, like
about your
the city is like
could you tell me
very old, and there is some
starting with
uh,
and then
there is some house that are abandoned.
also your
So that's why it's very good experience for me.
Okay, so
For
my
teaching.
name is Uka Zafiro. You can call me.
Yeah, and if the Egmore teaching is mostly in Jawa,
And
mostly in Jawa,
February.
like in my school, in my friends' schools, and the others. So yeah, so I giving my knowledge in IDM to other people.
And also
So that's why this is my achievement so far with 9 times
maybe
teaching.
that's all.
okay.
So I think yeah.
I have.
So I think for all of my project here, I've been
That's for
say thanks to Edinburgh School maybe to get me like all of this project and achievement. Maybe if I'm not, maybe if I not study in IDN, I will not have, I will not teaching to Egypt or the others.
I also learn little.
So I think maybe that's all from me. Thank you. And
Visual Studio Code.
if the wrong is from me and Saiton, if the right is from Allah, thank you so much for listening for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. San.